Hello and welcome to my channel. If it's your new time here, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Nikki Swaze and I'm here to teach you how to take care of your natural hair. I know a lot of people that I know is like, yo, it's too much to take care of this hair. I don't feel like it and stuff. But if you're trying to achieve a goal, you'll do whatever. So, here we go. My hair, this was a twist out, so I just had it out for like a couple days, and now it's time to do some real maintenance on it. I need a deep condition, hot oil treatment, the works. So today I'm gonna just wash it and do a deep conditioner in. Fuck, a deep condition. You know what I'm trying to say. So right here I'm just detangling because all my ends is like twisted around each other. They loving each other, so whatever. So then I go in with water. And I just finger detangle it. Yep, because I peep. Using certain utensils just break my hair off more. Like I love using this detangler brush. I just use it on my ends when I'm twisting it or doing a braid out or something. But I just been losing a lot of hair. It's just been breaking off. So it's like I gotta stop with certain stuff. With the leaving in of the protective hairstyles, my last style that I had in was some fault locks, crochet fault locks. I had them in for like a long time. And so I got it like product residue build up on it, caked up on it. So when it's like come time to take it out, it's like all my hair intertwining it and just breaking off. So I just gotta get that together. So I dedicated a whole year just to wear my hair out. My own hair. I wear protective hairstyles, like little twist out hairstyles, braid out. My hair in like just a fro. Puff ball is my favorite drawing. Let me move a little closer to y'all. See, some hair is shorter than others because breakage, you know. Same shit, different day. It's cool because I'm gonna fix all of that. All that about to be fixed. Another piece that's broken off. It's growing out now. It was shorter than that. But yeah, that was from that hairstyle when I had my hair braided all the way up into one ponytail. And it was just, it was the bomb. I love it, but thinness around here in this area. So that'll be growing back pretty soon too with my product. Watch, wait, and watch. herbal moisturizing shampoo. I know you can see it. Now, washing part is over with. Now it's time for the shady powder deep conditioner. I need that because my hair is all acting real stank real lately. Bitch ain't got time for it. Alright, now I'm about to go with my shady powder conditioner and hair makeup. If you don't know about it, get with it. And then I'm about to wash all this shit off of me. And I'll be right back with you with the rest of the shit I gotta do. Okay, I'm back. After I put the Shea powder hair mask on, I like to just let that deep condition for like a half an hour. Or maybe an hour, maybe overnight. Depends on how I feel. But today I'm gonna do something different because my hair been feeling extra crack. So I'm gonna put this on. It's like it's for my blow dryer. So I like to put the right heat on my hair. So I put this on my blow dryer. Like that. Put this part on like that and just put it on warm or cool. And just sit with it. I think I'm putting on heat warm.